Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys an advanced posture stretch, and I believe this is one of the best ones. I do it myself almost daily, and I've never seen it before. I believe I accidentally invented it. Go figure. Maybe I didn't. Maybe you've seen it before. Leave a comment below if you've seen it. Maybe it has a different name. Maybe you've been doing it since 1988. I don't know. But so far, I claim as the sole inventor of this stretch. And how did I discover it? Well, I was just doing the regular reverse tabletop stretch that you might have seen before or done before. And one day, I took this reverse tabletop to a whole other level. I kind of leaned forward into my quads, and I really wanted to open up my shoulders and chest even more, and that's how I stumbled into this new advanced stretch that I'm going to teach you today. But I have to warn you that this stretch is not for everyone. So if you don't have any mobility, or you're just really stiff, or you haven't done any postural stretching or exercises for a long time, then this is probably not the best stretch for you. You should keep doing the reverse tabletop. That might be good enough for you. But if you are ready for something more advanced and you really want to increase your mobility to another level, as well as release some of those tight postural muscles, then let's go. So you're going to start with the reverse tabletop first, as you can see me doing it here. And then what I'm going to do in order to progress to my advanced stretch, I'm just going to scoot my feet back. I'm going to step back a couple of steps. You can take 2, 3, 4 steps back, and then you're going to lean forward. Your arms might scoot forward as well up to a certain point, and then you're going to stop and feel the stretch. The goal with this one is to create a straight line from your ear to your shoulder to your hips and knees. You don't want your head to kind of come forward and break that line. I recommend hanging out here for at least 30 seconds if you can, 60 seconds or even more. We're going to do it together in a moment, but first let me just go over why this is such a great postural stretch. Well, if you've been following our channel for a while, you know that some of the tightest muscles that cause postural issues are, your pec minors, your hip flexors, your shoulders, your thoracic spine. And this stretch takes care of all of that. As I said before, this is an advanced one, so don't try it if you don't have any flexibility or mobility at all, but you want to work up to it. Now, if this feels really intense for you, then what you can do is when you get into this stretch from the reverse tabletop, just scoot your legs back all the way so that your feet are at your butt level. If you go back that much and then lean forward from there, this stretch will feel slightly less intense. Now, I'd love for us to all do this stretch right now. Just take a break right now, wherever you're sitting, and let's do it all for 1 minute. Obviously, if you can't do it for 1 minute, just do it less, do as much as you can. We're gonna have a clock down timer here with me doing it for 1 minute. That's usually what I like to hold this stretch for. So let's go. Get into your reverse tabletop, and then bring those feet back, and then lean forward to your knees and feel that stretch in your quads, in your chest, in your shoulders, and just breathe into it. And just hang out. Keep breathing here and feel everything melting, but make sure you're not pushing into any extreme pain. If this is too much for you, then ease off of it. You've done enough. And that's why I'm calling this advanced, because it's kind of intense. It's not the basic exercise that we've done before. We have plenty of those on our channel as well. So now we're going to be done in a moment, and I want to give you a tip about getting out of it. Just bring your hands forward, scoot them one by one forward, and that's how you slowly get out of this position. And right after this one, you could do a few cat-cows just to kind of get back to equilibrium if you need to. So what do you think about this stretch? Was it effective for you? Leave us a comment below, let me know, as well as share this stretch with a friend of yours, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, we recently came out with a posture app called Posture Flow. In there we have quick postural exercises that you can follow from anywhere on your phone. The posture routines there range from 2 minutes to 5 minutes, so they don't take too long at all. You'll get reminders on your phone to move throughout the day and work on your posture. If you'd like to get more information about it, there's going to be a link somewhere here or down below in the description area. Check it out. Otherwise, see you guys next time.